Hurricane Milton, now a catastrophic Category 5 storm, is rapidly approaching Florida, prompting the largest evacuation in state history. Over 5.5 million people have been urged to leave their homes as Governor Ron DeSantis warns. If you're gonna get out now. With wind speeds reaching 200 miles per hour, Milton threatens to strike Tampa Bay, home to more than 3.3 million residents, bringing a devastating storm surge of 10 to 15 feet. Scientists link the growing intensity of hurricanes like Milton to climate change, with recent studies showing storms are becoming stronger and wetter. Florida's west coast is expected to face unprecedented coastal erosion, with 95% of beaches at risk of being permanently altered. Tornadoes have already been reported across South Florida, adding to the chaos. As Tampa braces for impact, residents are being warned that the storm's effects could be catastrophic, even for those living inland. This could be one of the most destructive hurricanes Florida has ever seen.